So check this out. Just got this from FedEx today. I ordered this from Eastwood off of their website. It's a Yost BV-6 6-inch bench vise. I got it out of their clearance section, $42 plus shipping. Look at this thing. Now, obviously, we have to put it on a bench, but look at that. That's a pretty nice vise. So it's a pretty substantial upgrade from the old one. It's still, these are both 6-inch vices, but I mean, look at the physical size. And again, $42 on clearance. Eastwood should probably sponsor me for giving them a shout out, right?